Welcome to Mamut Tutorials. We are now going to show you how to create a product in Mamut Business Software. Firstly, we are going to select the Products and Warehouse focus area, which is on the left-hand side of the window. Then we are going to select the product shortcut. In the window that now appears, you must select the settings that best suit your company. These selections are important to define so that the product window only shows the functionality that is relevant for your company. The settings that are displayed here can vary based on which program you have purchased. Finally, select Do Not Show this window again before proceeding to prevent this screen appearing in future. In order to create a new product, we need to click on the New button. We can then choose between Blank Product, Stock Item, Product Bundle, and Work/Services. If we choose Blank Product or Work/Services, a warehouse will not be connected to the product. In this example, we are going to create a stock item, so select this option and click OK. Confirm the proposed product number or enter your preferred product number and click OK. Enter the product name. The majority of drop-down lists can be adapted by right-clicking. We are now going to add a new product group that is going to be called Chairs. We therefore need to right-click on the product group drop-down field and choose Change in Properties Register. Then we need to click New. Enter the name of the product group, click Previous and OK. Now we can select Chairs from the drop-down list. We are now going to enter a price for the product. We therefore need to click on the Price tab. We can enter the purchase price, expenses, and sales price. There are additional settings to choose between here, but it is not necessary to complete all of the fields. We can, for example, only enter a sales price. Under the Discount tab, you are able to enter various types of discounts. To get a full explanation on the use of discounts, please refer to our help files. You can access the help files by clicking Help or by pressing F1 on the keyboard from the Discounts tab. If you are connected to the internet, we recommend that you choose to use the online help. The help file on discounts will then be displayed. We will now proceed to the Warehouse tab. Here we can connect the product to one or more warehouses and locations, or change the default warehouse, or add new warehouses to the list. Under the Supplier tab, you can enter the supplier from who you normally purchase the products. This is used if you are using the purchasing module or if you import updated cost prices from a supplier's file. We are now going to click on the Products Information tab. Here we are able to enter information about the products. The information that we enter under product information can also be transferred to the product lines in the sales order if we wish. Tick Automatically transfer product information to product lines in sales order to activate this function. Under the Settings tab, select the type of product it is and also define the accounts for posting. You do not need to define these settings if you would like the product to be posted to the default accounts. If the field is left blank, it will automatically be posted to the default accounts. Now we are going to select the Miscellaneous tab. Here you are able to enter more information about the product, such as the EAN code or the industry's product number. You can also connect the product to a project or a department. It is here that you are also able to set the product as inactive, so that it will no longer be visible in the product list within the program. Before you begin entering products, you should check the user and company settings. We are going to define the user settings first. The settings that you define here will only affect you and will have no implications for other users of the system. Under the Product Card tab, we are able to define the fields and tabs that will be displayed within the product card. Under the Product List tab, we are able to specify the settings that will apply to the product list. Under the Warehouse tab, we can define the desired default warehouse. We then click OK in order to save the changes. We are now going to define the company settings for products. The settings that you define here will apply to all users, but only within the current database. Under Price Processing, you can define different options that are connected to the price. In order to find out more about each setting, we recommend that you click on Help. We are now going to select Warehouse Handling, where you are able to define the settings affecting the warehouse. Under Default Values, you are able to define the default values that new products will automatically be assigned, so that you are not required to enter this manually each time you create a new product. In the bottom half of this window, you also have the possibility to change the field descriptions to align them to your company. Click OK to save the changes. Finally, we are now going to show you some of the buttons within the toolbar. When you click on the List button, you will see a searchable list of all of your products. As you saw within the user settings, you are able to tailor this view within the product list. In addition, you have the buttons Save, Delete, and Undo. You are also able to do a more advanced search with the help of the Search button, or set a filter by using the filter buttons. With the help of the blue arrows, you are able to browse through the products. By clicking on the arrow beside the Sort button, you are able to define the sorting when you browse through the products. In addition, you also have the possibility to duplicate a product so that an identical product with a different product number is created. Simply click on the Duplicate Product button to do so. In order to close this window, click on Quit. We have now shown you how to create a product in Mamut Business Software. You will find additional tutorial videos on our website.